Hi everyone, welcome back. We are racking the fig. Oh God, I need a brewer's bag. I need a brewer's bag. Oh, geez Louise. Okay, hang on. Okay, I got it. It's like, wait a minute. I need something extra. So it's been 2 weeks. It's been 2 weeks since you looked at me. Whoa. Maybe that was a mistake. There's still CO2 coming out of that. Okay. Okay, well, I want to get it off the fruit. This isn't working. Well, it worked for a little bit, but there's more liquid in there that I can't get it. Of course! This is why you put your fruit in a bag and then you put it in. Why do I always do it like this? I've been brewing for like 2 years now. You think I'd learn to wrap my fruit up in a nice little bundle instead of just throwing it in there. But no. No. Since it has been a total of 16 days, 2 weeks, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do something that a lot of you might not like. But I'm gonna do it anyway. Oh my God, this is evil. Just go down. Can you drain? Oh no. Some of it I'm just gonna let in. Yeah, I'm gonna turn off the camera and I'll be back. I might just like pour some of this fine mass. I might just pour it in, you know? And just let the rest of the fig material sink. I've already have like seeds and stuff in here, I mean. This is just what it's gonna be because I can't be bothered anymore. I, as usual, made a mistake. There's still a little bit in here, but like, it's just a mess. It's just a messy, messy mess. And this is also a messy, a mess. What I might do is just put this in the refrigerator and let it like long-term cold crash and allow everything to hopefully sink. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. So I'll see you again here in a second. We'll see how it goes. Are you seeing this? I cold crashed this thing for how many days? Didn't even write it down. How did I not write that down? Didn't even write it down, but it wasn't cold crashed for too long, like 5 days. And this was pretty solid. As you can see, it's getting a little hazy on the top. I'm gonna rack it now. It's obviously it's still like putting off condensation. It's like 52 degrees in there because I took it out of the fridge this morning. I'm not wasting any time with this. I want to rack it when there's not a bunch of sediment floating around. Also, it's like a pool of water on this box I've been using. I gotta move it. I gotta get it off. So today is the 30th, the day before Halloween. And I'm not dressed very spooky today. I actually hadn't planned on filming today, but I saw this and I was like, you know what? I gotta take care of it. Let's do this. Try not to make a total mess. That would be cool. I always get water in the top and it drives me crazy because then I have to pour it out. And inevitably, I just pour water everywhere. It happens every time. I'm also going to use a nut bag because fig seeds are pretty small little things and I don't want them, I just don't want them. I don't want them in my mead. You know what I mean? Dang it, is this the one with the cat hair in it? Who knew that figs would create so much sediment? Look at that volume that I'm missing out on. I do have quite a bit more figs, so I'd like to do something else with them. Make another fig mead, but probably do things a little bit differently next time, like put them all in a brewer's bag. That'd be a smart idea. I'm already pulling off sediment just from tilting this. But you know what, that's fine. This doesn't need to be clear right now. It's only 20 days old. I just want as much liquid as I can get right now. There we go. 3/4 of a gallon. Not bad. So clearly that is 1/4 of a gallon that I lost. Now I'm gonna let it settle. I do want to put some cinnamon in here though. I don't think I want a full cinnamon stick. I think that would be overpowering, but maybe a half a cinnamon stick would be good. But I do want to just kind of wait and see how this evolves over time. Gosh, I don't even know. I don't know how long to let this sit. Because right now it's gonna taste like poop. It's not gonna taste very good right now. It's only 20 days old, like that's really young. Oh, I need to do a gravity reading. I wanna see where this is at. Just what I thought I would find. Is it 1? 1. Ate through everything. I didn't make this a very high ABV anyway. I don't know, I mean, I guess I could. You can taste the fig. I mean, we'll see how well that sticks around, but it's there. Just hang tight and we'll continue on from here. Hello everyone, welcome back to Faewood Mead. Fig. I took a gravity on the 30th of October. It has been a month. I haven't done anything with it. So it's looking pretty good right now, like it's clear. So I'm gonna rack it and then I'm gonna stabilize it. That's really all we are going to be able to do today. I am planning on adding dried figs, a cinnamon stick, and of course more honey, because this is very dry. Let's just get to it. Let's just rack it. I'm literally pouring water all over my floor. All right. Really gotta try to not get that mess at the bottom. And it's like fluffy clouds down there, which means it'll be very easy to pick up. I don't want that. Unfortunately, I don't have anything smaller than this 1 gallon on me at the moment. So this is just where it's gonna have to hang out for now. And I realize that is a lot of headspace. So next time I go to Richmond, I'll have to grab the 1/2 gallon and rack this into it. Although after I add dried figs and everything, that will help raise it up. I think I did that just right. Yeah, so that is maybe just barely more than a 1/2 gallon. All right, I'm gonna snag a little taster here. Okay. Definitely tastes like youth, very yeasty, very dry. The fig flavor's there. Fig is a gentle flavor though, and I knew that going in. What can I say? I don't know. I've been working with difficult fruits. Peaches, figs, it is delicate. So I'm gonna stabilize this. I guess I could pasteurize it. There's so little in here, but I'm gonna stabilize it. So since it's just barely over a 1/2 gallon, I will kind of make this not like a heaping, but you know, just a little bit extra. Come on, there we go. It just feels sort of sketchy when I'm just eyeing things out. Ta-da! Stabilized it. Whenever I film next, I will do more to it. Yeah, I guess we'll just transition into the next section of this video then. All right, here we are. Here we are. This already needs to get racked again. What do you know? Pretty great, I guess, because I'm gonna be moving it into this for ease. I don't really like the idea of just shoving dried figs in one of these little bottlenecks. That's why these wide mouths really come in handy. And, oh my God, shocker, I know. I have a brewing bag that I will be putting my figs in. For once, maybe I won't have a complete and total mess on my hands. So first things first, let's go ahead and rack this baby. I know I don't cover this stuff very much because, you know, in the beginning of your channel you usually do, and I feel like most people who watch Mead content watch several channels, not just one, so they usually can like get the information that they need, but this is a racking cane. Hi, this is a racking cane, and they're pretty cheap. It's like $12, not bad. Super, super helpful. Short, quick pumps is the best way to get going. When I first started making mead, I didn't really like understand, and I was going like way up and down. And then I was terrified of aerating at the same time, which, you know, when you don't know anything, you're afraid of doing everything wrong, right? I hate it when the lease is just like little fluffy clouds at the bottom, which is basically what this is. Because it means that it's like way easier to pick up. Obviously, I don't know how much sediment is gonna come off of the dried figs. Hopefully I can keep it pretty well contained in the brewer's bag. If you've been watching me for a while, you'll know that I often just forget about my brewer's bag. I always intend on using one and then I don't. Silly. Look at that, beautiful, crystal clear. I can smell the fig. There's a little bit of like a funkiness there. Thrive Market, if you don't know what that is, it's just like this website where you can buy non-perishables, and it's like not trash food, you know? This is 100% organic black mission figs. So they just look like that. I'm gonna put in about half this bag. I think I'm just gonna slice them, right? Little slices? I don't know, maybe I should like dice them a little bit. I'm gonna try one. What does this taste like? Really good. All right, more or less half. Ooh, I guess before I do this, I should add my honey. You may notice that mysterious bucket behind me. Yes, it's a fancy varietal. Ooh. Pay attention. It's a fancy varietal that I got on sale. So I'm a member of the American Mead Association. It's a pretty small group right now. Forget, the fee is like really small. It's nothing crazy. But every month they have, I don't know, there's like a big honey supplier that will have like a coupon. And this was with Z Specialty, which has like crazy varietals. They do tend to be more expensive, of course, so getting it on sale is kind of the only way I could really like justify buying it. Kind of like my Tupelo honey. So this one is Hawaiian Wildflower. And I opened it just before starting this video and smelled it. Oh my God. I think it'll complement the figs really, really well. A cinnamon stick. Oh shit, I can't forget. I gotta put a cinnamon stick in here too. A whole cinnamon stick would probably be too much. Okay, ooh. Hang on, I have a half. Yee! Okay. One thing at a time. Getting excited. The fig right now is pretty blasé, but this is where, you know, you just have a little bit of fun and you fix things up real nicey nice. This is part of what I really like about mead making. I had considered buying graham crackers to add like a breadiness. I might still do that, we'll see. I think the dried figs will add a good mouthfeel. So I might not need the graham crackers, then it's more of like a fig Newton mead, which would still be really cool. I'm down for that, I mean. But I also have more frozen figs that I can mess with if I really feel like I want to pursue a fig Newton mead compared to, I don't know, a not fig Newton mead. All right. Oh my God, finally that's done. I feel like that took forever, but look at that. Looking gorgeous. Now, I don't have like a weight, which kind of sucks. You can get like weighted glass and stuff to help keep these things down, but I don't have anything like that. Like if you're planning on having some fruit sit for a long period of time, you would definitely want to wait, or you'd have to like punch it down and turn it to make sure that mold doesn't grow on it. That's the risk. Okay, so that's done. First, I'm gonna grab a taste of this as it is. Dry. Okay, this honey dough, I haven't tried it yet, so I actually wanna open this and try it first. Oh, I can smell it. Oh my God. You see this? It's like, it looks like, oh my God. It smells like brown sugar. Okay, hang on. Wait a minute, is this all solid? It's all crystallized. Okay. No wonder it was on sale. I guess I'll just take spoonfuls with this. That is really good. It's like a molassesy brown sugar, but it's a wildflower honey. It's not as rich as a buckwheat. Oh man, yeah, this is gonna be really good. I don't know how much to add though. Yeah, I think 2 scoops. 2 scoops for now, and I'm gonna stir it. And then I'm actually gonna take a gravity reading. Oh, maybe I should wait till after the figs. There goes my perfect clarity. Oh well. The dried figs may impart quite a bit of sweetness, so I don't want to add too much honey because you never know what's going to get extracted from the dried fruit that you add. It's not like 100% mixed in, but I don't really want to stand here for forever either. Okay. Okay. I might want to add more later. It's fine for now. I'm gonna put this in. There we go. And I'm gonna put in my half a cinnamon stick. Boop. The end. Oh. Now I know some of you are gonna comment on the headspace. Yes, there's a lot. This mead's only been going for 2 months, like almost exactly 2 months, so I'm not terribly concerned. There should be a good amount of, yeah. So there's already pressure building. There's a good amount of pressure in here still. So there's CO2 filling the gap. It's still quite young. I have never had any negative effects from headspace, but I also don't like super long-term bulk age. I do start to get a little nervous when I'm hitting past like 4 or 5 months, just because I don't know. But usually everything turns out fine. All right, well, I'm gonna let this sit for probably about 2 weeks. And then we're gonna see what's going on. 2 to 3 weeks, maybe 3 max? 3 max? Maybe? We'll see. Well, I'm gonna end this here. So next video, possibly adding more honey. Hopefully not having to let this sit for very long till it clears enough to bottle. Then I'm gonna bottle, and that's it. I really hope I don't have to do anything else to this. I think it'll be okay as it is. I think, don't know for sure. We'll see. All right, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you, and we'll see you next time. Bye.